The Leica Q4 is poised to be one of the most anticipated compact full-frame cameras in recent years, following the success of the Leica Q3. While Leica has remained largely silent on official specifications, industry insiders and leaks suggest that the Q4 will bring meaningful upgrades across multiple areas, including sensor technology, autofocus, video capabilities, stabilization, handling, and connectivity. By combining Leica's classic design philosophy with modern imaging technology, the Q4 aims to appeal to longtime Leica enthusiasts as well as photographers seeking a high-performance, portable full-frame camera that balances exceptional image quality with usability. At the core of the Leica Q4 is expected to be a stack CMOS sensor, which would mark a substantial improvement over the sensor used in the Q3. A stack sensor allows for faster readout speeds, potentially higher resolution, and better low-light performance, making it easier to capture decisive moments with precision. Rumors indicate that the sensor resolution could reach around 64 megapixels, offering incredible detail suitable for large prints, tight cropping, or professional editing workflows. In addition to improved resolution, a stack sensor could enhance burst shooting performance and reduce rolling shutter, allowing photographers to capture fast-moving subjects with accuracy. Despite these technological upgrades, Leica is expected to maintain the clean, natural image quality that the Q series is known for, blending modern performance with the camera's traditional aesthetic. Autofocus is another area where the Leica Q4 could see substantial upgrades. Early reports suggest the implementation of advanced subject tracking, including eye and animal detection, as well as predictive algorithms to maintain focus on moving subjects. This would make the Q4 a particularly strong tool for street, wildlife, and event photography, where capturing spontaneous moments is critical. Improved tracking reduces the need for constant manual adjustments, giving photographers confidence when shooting dynamic scenes. Leica is expected to balance autofocus speed with precision, ensuring versatility across a wide range of shooting scenarios from candid street photography to controlled portrait sessions. Video capabilities in the Q4 are also expected to see enhancements, positioning the camera as a hybrid tool suitable for both stills and video work. Reports suggest the Q4 could support 4K video at higher frame rates, potentially up to 120 frames per second, as well as 8K video at 30 frames per second. These improvements would provide videographers with flexibility for high-resolution editing, slow-motion sequences, and cinematic production. Alongside these video enhancements, Leica may incorporate improved thermal management to allow longer recording sessions without overheating. As always, Leica's focus on delivering smooth, clean video quality is likely to remain, complementing the camera's still photography strengths and making it an attractive option for creators seeking a single versatile tool. The Leica Q4's electronic viewfinder and rear touchscreen are also expected to receive upgrades. The viewfinder is rumored to feature a resolution of around 9.44 million dots, providing a clear, detailed, and responsive experience for composing shots, even in bright sunlight. The fully articulating rear touchscreen is expected to improve versatility, allowing photographers to shoot from unconventional angles, low perspectives, or overhead positions. This articulating display would also facilitate self-recorded content and video work. Touchscreen responsiveness is anticipated to be smoother and more intuitive, making it easier for users to navigate menus, adjust settings, and access functions quickly. These improvements aim to enhance the usability of the camera without sacrificing the tactile controls and familiar workflow that Leica users value. Stabilization in the Q4 could also see meaningful improvements. Early indications point to an in-body image stabilization system capable of up to 8 stops of correction, which would be a significant benefit for handheld photography in low light or when using slower shutter speeds. Ergonomics are likely to be refined, with a redesigned grip, repositioned buttons, and a slightly lighter body. These updates could make extended shooting sessions more comfortable while preserving the classic Q series design. The camera is expected to retain its weather-sealed magnesium alloy construction, ensuring durability in a variety of shooting conditions, from urban street photography to outdoor adventures. The Q4's fixed 28mm Summilux f1.7 lens is expected to carry over from the Q3, but Leica may introduce subtle refinements to optical performance, lens coatings, and clarity. While the lens's fundamental design may remain the same, these adjustments could improve sharpness, reduce flare, and enhance overall image quality. The combination of a high-resolution sensor and a precise, high-quality lens is likely to maintain the Q4's reputation for producing sharp, detailed images straight from the camera, making it a compelling choice for photographers who prioritize image fidelity and precision. Connectivity and workflow enhancements are also anticipated for the Q4. The camera may feature faster wireless transfer speeds and tighter integration with the Leica Photos app, allowing photographers to quickly move images to mobile devices for editing and sharing. Touchscreen menus could be made more intuitive, with additional customization options for frequently used functions, reducing the time spent navigating menus and increasing overall efficiency. These improvements may help photographers focus on capturing creative content rather than managing camera settings, merging the convenience of modern digital features with the tactile control Leica is known for. In conclusion, the Leica Q4 represents a careful blend of tradition and innovation. With anticipated improvements to sensor technology, autofocus, video performance, stabilization, ergonomics, and workflow, it could set a new benchmark for premium compact full-frame cameras. While official details remain unconfirmed, the combination of Leica's heritage, user-focused design, and modern imaging technology makes the Q4 one of the most exciting potential camera releases in its class. For photographers and content creators looking for a powerful, portable, and capable tool, the Leica Q4 promises to deliver performance, precision, and ease of use without compromising the classic design and image quality that Leica is renowned for. As we await more information, the Q4 is shaping up to be a highly anticipated camera that could redefine the expectations for high-end compact full-frame photography in 2026.